how are you? I've missed being on YouTube with you guys. I've missed doing videos. I know I've been incognito since I think maybe June was my last video I posted, June 2019, and here we are almost at the end of September, and I just kind of wanted to talk to you guys and give you a little update about life and what's going on and tell you I am coming back. I may not be on as much as I was. So what happened was in August, I went ahead and I opened a booth in a store with my art, and I am into thrifting items now. I paint them, I upcycle them, I redo furniture. I just kind of found this new passion, and I know that most of you guys know me for my art journaling and trading cards and all that. So over the past 3 months, I've been trying to think about my brand, Side Street Design, and where it's going to go. And I still love my journaling, I still love my art, but I'm also being called to do this kind of thrifting, upcycling lifestyle. So you will notice that the header of my YouTube channel has been changed to, I believe it now says Coffee, Life, DIY, and Crafts. So what I'm hoping to do is to continue to do a little journaling for you guys, but then I'm going to also be putting in some DIY videos. I'll do some thrift haul videos. You guys can see what I'm remaking. I have a pumpkin centerpiece one coming up here soon that you guys will see me remake, a Dollar Tree pumpkin with some molds. You'll see me using new products, new paints. And so I hope those of you that have been following me will stick through as I find this new balance. So I still work my full-time job, and I have a shop now in a store that I have to keep stocked. So a lot of my spare time is spent finding items, painting them, upcycling them, and then, you know, spending time with my husband and the cat kids. So I am still here, guys, and I will be coming back. I'm going to start trying to do 2 videos a month, see how that goes, and if I can increase it to 3 in January, I will do that. And I hope those of you that have followed me will stick with me on this new journey, because I miss you. I miss chatting with you guys. I'll put a link to my new Facebook page below. I still do have my Side Street Design. So my main brand is still Side Street Design, but my shops are now called Side Street Market or Side Street Design Market. I'm still working on that, so just bear with me, and I'll put all the links below. I hope you guys are going to have a fabulous holiday season, and I will be here thrifting with you, crafting with you, journaling with you, sharing life with you. I've missed you guys, and I will be back shortly. So make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all my latest releases, and I will be seeing you soon this fall. Take care, everyone.